Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coach K. I'm back. Right now, I'm getting ready to break down support and resistance, right? A lot of people do support and resistance in a different way. I'm going to show you guys the way that I do it, and hopefully, it will help you out with your trading journey. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do the US 30 since I'm always breaking down the SPS 500, which is my favorite. But right now, I'm going to go to the US 30, and we're going to do a breakdown with that. Now, starting from the weekly time frame, people. I'm gonna break down from the weekly time frame, and then I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna go down. All right, but let's go ahead and explain what support, what resistance is. Basically, you're gonna look for levels where the market actually came in touch before it actually came back down. So what do I mean by that? It came and touch here. Okay, went back down, came to this level again, touch right here, regardless of the wick. This is price action. Wherever you see the whole colored candles, this is actually price action. So you don't always have to count the wicks, but sometimes it'll be helpful if you do. All right, you see here where we came here, kind of came back down. So we had about one, two, three, four, five touches here, almost six touches here in this area. So this is a good area to actually mark up. All right, so let's see. I think we got something here. Boom, yeah. Yeah, we right back here, guys. Boom. All right, so you guys can see it had about one, two, three, four, five touches here. So that was a great area to mark. All right, let's find out next one. Uh-oh, I found it. Here we go, guys. Another area, and you guys can go back and rewatch this video as well. Um, and maybe you'll see kind of like what it is that I'm searching for, how I'm getting these levels. But you got another touch here, another touch here, another touch here, another touch here. And then look, even weeks later, it came back down to this area, guys. Look, you understand what I'm saying? It came back down to that area, right? All right, so boom, let's go ahead and mark another one here because I see that we have one, two, three, four, possible five candles, right? So this is going to be an area to watch for as well. All right, now that we marked that up, guys, let me tell you guys a secret that I actually learned that the bank like to buy and sell at whole numbers, like the banks and big institution traders, right? So the 28,731. I would like to round that off to maybe 28,730, right? It's kind of like a even number there. Same thing with this one, right? Click on settings here. 31,178. We can just kind of move round that off and move it to the 80, right? If you guys want to be spot on. Same thing here. And you can kind of see I got close, right? 33,702. I mean, that's just by eyeballing. But you can tell that the banks are trading at like these whole numbers for real. Zero there, 33,700. I mean, I even came close, man. Like, this is amazing. All right. Let's do 15 here. All right, man. Do we look like professionals? All right, so let's move on down to the daily time frame. I go from the weekly to the daily. If you guys wondering how far to go back, really, I only wanted to go back as of this trading year of 2021 January when this trading year started. I really wanted to kind of go back like this far. There's no need to really going all the way back because all the way back here to 2020, 2019. A lot of people do that with pairs, with forex pairs, right? But with the index, there's no need because I don't think we're going to get a 20% drop out of the sky, and that happens with the pairs, in cryptocurrencies where you guys can get like a 30% correction overnight, just for no reason. It's real volatile. These indexes are not volatile like that. So let's go ahead and move on down to the daily time frame. Look at how this thing is lining up. Is that pretty, guys, or what? Right? Look. Is that pretty? It's amazing. You can now see what we done, on the weekly time frame. You guys can now see that, right? It's pretty. All right, so we're on the daily time frame. So let's go back as well. Let's kind of look for the same thing. Many touches as we can find before the market actually switch directions. All right. So on the daily time frame, let's get our horizontal line out here. And let's go here, right? Let's make this smaller as well. And then let's change the color to maybe like an orange, right? I use the same color so I know whenever I'm looking at my overall chart and it start moving levels, I know which areas are strong and which areas are easily to be broken. So that just give me an idea. But we got to touch here. 1, 2, 3. You know, we came down, came up here. So we got a few touches here with that area right there. Right. Same thing here, man. Look at all these wicks. I really don't like to do wicks. I like the price action, but man, when you're wicking here, 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 when you have so many touches, man, let me make that big, man. Let me make that big so you guys can understand. When you have so many touches, like in the same type of area, no, I'm not gonna line it up perfect. You know, I just want to get the touches, man. Look at all of this, man. This is a great area right here to actually mark up, right? All right, so let's go again. Let's find us another great area, which would be somewhere right up in, let's say here, right? We have this one, we have this touch, we have this touch, we have this touch, you know, and we had a counter wick, but here the price action is up here as well, right? And then let's go again. Where we getting these touches at? This will be excellent, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, a lot of touches here, man. These are some strong areas, right? All right. What else do we have coming up? How about this area right here? I mean, we still have some touches here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even came down, you know, almost a month later, you know, over a month later, still came down and touched this area. And I'm looking at these touches right here. But look, man, what happened later. Still came down and touched. Look what happened later. Still came down and touched. All right. And there we go again with a lot of touches right here with these wicks, man. We got to get these type of areas, man. We have to, right? And again, we're on a daily time frame, guys. We're on a daily time frame, right? I'm looking at this. I'm not even looking going forward, right? This area, look. All right. All right, now we're moving forward. All right, all right. Hope you guys are with me, man, and you guys are understanding, man. You know, the more times it touch and actually turn around, right? That's considered like a level. And see, I didn't even see all of this, right? We were right here. But look what happened. It broke this and kept on going down. And look what happened, guys. It came down to our weekly time frame, guys. Like you guys are doing this with me. If this is not confirmation enough, then I don't know what to tell you. But look at this area right here, right? We wasn't even here. We started from the back, right? We started from the back and you know, just look at this, right? Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, this support and resistance stuff is powerful, man. It's very powerful. All right, so this the daily time frame. I think we're done with the daily time frame. Let's hit the 4 hour, and then we're gonna change the color as well. And then we're gonna find the most touches as well. Now it gets kind of hard. It gets kind of spread it out. I don't say it get hard, but I mean you got to have that inspect the gadget eye when you start going to the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minute. So yeah, you kind of got to have that inspect the gadget eye. All right. So look, all right. So we're here, right? And then also you'll be counting more of the wicks, you know, which I don't like doing, but you know, those are levels that it actually came down. But whenever you start getting down to the 4 hour and the 2 hour, 1 hour, however you want to break it down, you'll start looking for the different touches, right? Which we have one, we have like two there, 3, 4 here, you know, 5. I mean, it's just the area, man. So yeah, they are there. All right. All right, so let's see what else we have for this 4 hour time frame, guys. Help me look. Where are your eyes? All right, there we go. That's good. And sometimes you can switch to the line chart. If it gets, you know, kind of like to where, you know, you can't find anything, switch to the line chart. This would be helpful as well. Like right here. Boom. You see what I did there? Right? There was a touch here. There's a touch here. Here, here, here. Right? So you see what I did there? Line chart. So don't be scared to use the line chart as well. All right. What else do we have? here, right? What else do we have? Especially here. And what's so funny is that look what happened. It came down to this area. Like we were right here, March 9th. Look at March 25th. It came down to this area, right? So look at that, man. That's just amazing. That is easy to spot here, right? I hope you guys can see this. This right. What else we got? And again, we're on the 4-hour chart. There we go. This area here had the most touches at one time to where it came down. This area. Let's see. And I'm doing this live with you guys, man. I put out the line chart right here. Sometimes it happens to the best of us, man. There we go. And here we go again, right? So whenever you guys are taking a look at my chart and you're seeing like a lot of lines, this is actually where they come from. I actually found another one there. You know what? We ain't gonna make it junky. All right, all right, all right. I'm looking at this area and I'm gonna go ahead and mark it as well. Yep. I see where we come down 1 touch, 2 touch. We got a group of things that touched up here before it even fell down. So I'm gonna mark that area as well. Of course, we have these, like some of them you can like blatantly just see. Some of them you have to have that good eye for, right, to recognize the most touches in the area. And even look at here, it's gonna come down here. We got this area because up in here just kind of touched a lot of times, even came down right here, right? So guys, this really does help out with the trading. And if you don't think this stuff worked, man, look at this line right here. You see where it came down? We wasn't even over here yet, but this is how you can tell, man. It came down and touched this area. These things touches multiple times, man. A lot of times you can decide which time to open up a trade or, place a lot size order. Depends on, your support and resistance areas as well. Right. So now for the US 30, I guess this is a tough area to break for some reason right here. Right. All right. Shall we make it down to the 1 hour time frame? This 1 hour time frame, guys, because it's so, it's so easily for something to break. I'm not, to be honest, man, I'm not gonna even go through the 1 hour because I mean you can. Let's do a few of them, but I'm not gonna go as far back because the 1 hour is so easy to kind of just break through, man. With my strategy, because you know, I kind of like to swing trade a lot of times, and I'm not looking to really get in and out as quick as some of you guys may be doing. But let's just start here just to kind of give you an idea on how this works as well. So there's some touches. We're gonna make that blue because when I do the 1 hour, I do it blue, right? I even changed the width of it. See these touches and everything? See right here? Even came up right here, went back down. Let's see. You even got something going on right here. This area, right? A lot of touches here, you know. Let's see. It's the 1 hour breakdown, man. See, it even came up right there. See, hey, it's back down to that that level, right? And that's weird because we didn't even start here. But I'm just giving you guys, how it works. You guys saw that I went back and, did it. And then this led up to actually right now. Look at this. I mean, if this is not confirmation enough, I don't know how I can tell you guys, what I'm saying, to watch this video again. And then like we're on a 1 hour time frame. I see 1, 2, 3 rejection wicks, on this time frame. So it's I'll be curious to see where this actually goes out. I mean, I trade US 30 time to time, but when you have these rejection wicks like this, man, a lot of times it's getting ready to come down. Man, even the MACD is showing, the signal line on top of the blue line. I believe that's the signal on top of the blue line. I mean, that's indicating like some kind of downward movement right there. So, I mean, hey, go back and watch this video, man. Study technical analysis. But like I say, this thing right here, just looking at these wicks here, is probably getting ready to move down. Right? Maybe, man, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put an order in to short it. Look, it's already doing it right now. All right, so and just to give you guys some proof of that, not to get off subject, but look at this. Look at all of those are wicks, man. All of these are rejection wicks, right? I could have actually marked this level, but really what I want to show y'all is after the rejection which came, man, this thing shot down, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? So, man, look, it's here. Like I said, I'm not selling you guys any course or anything like that, but I'm just showing you guys, man, what other people is not showing y'all. So please rewatch this video if you don't get support and resistance. I'm gonna go back to the daily time frame, and this is how my charts look whenever you guys are looking at my videos. Look something like this, right? But now that I've gone through marking up the chart with you guys, you should actually have an idea on where to probably open up trades or how to do support and resistance and things like that, right? Yeah. So we know when we get back up here to 33, is that 35, 515 at the very top, we know to be looking for a fight up there. Just like we knew to be looking for a fight down here, right? This is the weekly time frame, lime green, right? Purpose, the 4 hour, the orange is the daily. So we know as the market moves, right, and the counters move, some of these areas are not going to be that easy to actually break, right? Some of these areas are not going to be that easy to break when you get down there, right? So a lot of people like to go and mark charts all the way to the 15-minute. Well, I really haven't seen a lot of people do charting this way, but this is a great way that it's done. Hey, but thanks for watching, guys. Again, it's your boy, Coach K. If you learned something from this, just do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and just show me some love. Like, don't be selfish. If I really taught you something here, please hit the like button. Show me the same love as I showed you, man. Thank you, guys, and have a great day.